Unboxing time. Ooh, Hellboy. The figure without the coat. Huh, nice shirt. Squishy. Whoop. Now he's mad. We got three different hands. Gun. Also got a sword and fully grown horn. Now this is how it looks with the horn and the sword. This is how he looks holding the gun. Actually, it's pretty good. Here's a size comparison with Wukong. And here it is, him standing side to side with Deathstroke. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and follow and leave a comment right here.